Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you soft glowing festive makeup look. This is very classy and basic Indian festival look. For this festival look, I am going for full coverage base. I take Lakme foundation. Just one pump is enough. I am going to buff this foundation to my skin with my fingertips. Apply eyeshadow all over my eyelid. For eyeliner, I use Itex Dazzler. This Itex Dazzler eyeliner, it's a darker shade of black which would mostly go with a lot of outfits and just get perfect black line. Apply along your lash line from the inner to outer corners. We get an amazing and perfect winged line. Then I take pearl cream for highlighting my face. I am just blend all over my face with my fingertips. Then I take Vaseline for moisturizing my lip. Lipstick, I'm gonna go with lip liner for getting perfect line and perfect finishing. Finally, I take some rose cleanser for getting my face a rosy look. I'm using Double Gulbari 3-in-1 cleanser, refresher and moisturizer. This is not harmful, it's a chemical free, and this particular cleanser gives you a natural look to your skin and also clean dirt and oil, cleanse your face to constrict the pores on your face. In this way, it protects and restores and moisturizes your skin as well as balance pH level of your skin. This is the complete Indian festive look. You can create this look on Navratri, Diwali. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, find this video helpful and useful. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more updates.